recently was at a craft show, and I was just motivated me to make this video. You know, American craftsmen it's a little bit underrated. At least it's not talked about a whole lot. You know, I think technology and just contemporary technology has kind of taken over the whole, just the conversation in general. You know, new iPhones and new phones and new tablets and yada yada. So when I was in the craft show, I realized that, gosh, it's wonderful. I mean, there were a couple of booths I really liked. There was a potter there I really enjoyed. I bought some Christmas gifts. And so anyways, it made me think, because I've always been a craftsman. Back in the, I started off being a leather craftsman and doing arts and craft shows. That was my living, really. And I wound up doing some jewelry. And just in general, I've always enjoyed working with my hands and being creative with my hands. And then the magic of the flutes came to me, and I was like, oh, that was one of the biggest blessings in my life. And so really, you know, when you look at American craftsmanship, it's not just, you know, the things that you see in galleries and art shows or craft shows, but, you know, cabinet makers, metal workers, everyone. I mean, all of those trades. I wouldn't say they're not appreciated, but they're certainly not noticed as much as they used to be. And from my perspective, is we don't want to lose that for a lot of reasons. One, it's the creative part of our culture. It's a big creative part of our society. And also, I just want to support those people, because all the craftsmen, you know, the American craft tradition is huge. It's from all over the world. I mean, every culture in the world is represented in this country. At some level, it's all represented. And they brought with them all of their talents and their creativity and their craftsmanship. And over time, as they integrated into the culture, into the society, in American culture, they brought all that into the culture itself. So American craftsmanship is extremely diverse, and it's phenomenally creative and just all over the board in terms of the type of materials and the design, because there's so many different cultures represented in that. So I just wanted to, you know, when I was walking through the craft show, and I needed to say something that is dear to my heart, and that is, you know, when you do your holiday shopping this year, keep in mind American craftsmen. If you have an opportunity to purchase something from someone that has made that themselves, and they just put everything they had into it because they love it so much. Because, you know, the truth is, it's not. My experience is you don't necessarily get rich doing that. You make a living, and it's a wonderful living, but it's an especially wonderful living because you love what you do. And 99% of those people that I come across that I've done arts and crafts shows with, and I've seen in galleries and stuff, we talk, you know, and they do it because they love it. And whenever you put that much love into something, it makes it very special. So when you have an opportunity this holiday season, see if you can support some of those craftsmen. And thank you.